on the agenda, boss? Yes, sir. No fooling around, sir. I'll make that happen now.
One, two, three. File yourself. That didn't work. Hello?
Oh, it's obviously filing day. Maybe I should call you back when you're finished?
No, don't go. I can talk. I can even go on a mission if you have one for me.
Well, it looks like you're bogged down with paperwork.
I am. There was nothing to file yesterday, and now, look. When it rains, it pours.
Precisely.
I'm sorry?
Don't forget your umbrella.
Okay. Looks like I have a mission.
She'll need more than her umbrella when she's snapping digital photos for the website in this South American jungle.
Wow, Peru. Whew, is it ever hot? Hope I can find someone to lead me in the right direction. Don't see anyone. I know how to get some attention. Hello? Aha! That worked pretty well. Hi! I believe this is for me.
Yes.
Thank you. When it rains, it pours. That doesn't sound good at all. Okay, which way should I go?
Follow the path.
Follow the path.
No, this way.
Oopsie. Hi,
Hi.
my name's Kari.
Hi, I'm Cesar. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm looking for rain, I guess, but when I find it, I'd like to be a little more prepared. I'm thinking boots and a jacket.
Yes, of course, I have something. Just follow me.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Wonder what this place is. It turned out that this place was an eco-lodge built to blend in with the environment. Clever! Cesar?
Yes.
Where are you taking me?
Into the rainforest.
Ah! Okay, let's go! This isn't just any rainforest. It's the Amazon rainforest. The jungle. It's rainy season. This rainforest is one of the most untouched places on Earth. Wow! Sound is coming from all around. I'm lost. Lost in the forest. Not really. Cesar?
Yes.
What's the deal with that machete?
Well, it's just in case.
Just in case of what?
You are in the jungle. Animals. Big animals. Maybe jaguars.
Jaguars? You mean you might have to fight one?
Don't worry, I will not attack. They are my friends.
Okay, I trust you. Frog day. Oh, we've got two now.
But you know, all of the frogs are poisonous.
Well, no, I didn't know that.
Well, all of the frogs are poisonous, but not all have enough poison for kill us or for affect us.
Okay.
Maybe for kill the prey that they're going to eat.
Hey, what's that up there?
Well, that's a termite nest.
A termite nest?
Yes.
He just put the termite in his mouth.
It's very delicious.
Delicious.
You can try. Definitely it's much better with chocolate.
Oh, with chocolate, right. Okay, here I go. Can I have another one?
Yes, of course. No, there are a lot.
Not bad.
Two.
Two. Not bad. Not bad at all. Tastes like Earth pretty much. No ice, please. And 2 straws. Uh-oh. Hello.
So, why did it take so long for you to pick up the phone?
I was enjoying my surroundings.
Oh. So, then you already have all the photos I need for the WoW website?
Oh, yeah. Did you say photos?
I did.
Yes, I will do that right away, okay? I'm going now. Bye-bye. Right away. In 5 minutes.
Is that a hammock behind her?
I need your help.
Yes, let me.
The webmaster says I need to go back to the rainforest, take some photos. Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Perfect. Hey, are those for me?
Well, no, this is for the brown agouti.
The what?
The brown agouti.
The brown agouti. Oh, he's so cute, but we have to go right away.
Okay.
So, let's do
Let's
it. Ah, wait. I forgot my camera.
Oh.
Eat fast. So this is the way to the canopy?
Yep, it is right.
Oh, I see it. I'm glad it's... Cesar says the canopy walkway will transport us to the treetops of the rainforest. Well, actually, we'll transport ourselves way, way up. It took a long time to build the towers and the bridges so that the rare plant and animal species wouldn't be disturbed. Hey, this is the first bridge.
Yes, this is the walkway. Don't worry, it's totally safe.
Ecosystems like rainforests are very delicate and need to be treated with tender love and care, just like I do. This is the last one?
Yes.
That's too bad. I'm really having fun up here. Oh, Cesar, this canopy has been so much fun, but I'm really tired and really hungry.
Don't worry, if you like, we can have a lunch.
Lunch here? Termites again?
No, take care, we can go into the camp.
Oh, that's
It's
a
much better.
better idea. Let's
Yes.
do that. Biologists come here to discover new species of plants, insects, birds, and animals. That would be fun.
This is a yellow-crowned parrot.
Yellow-crowned parrot. Very nice to meet you. Who's that?
He's the other, his friend.
Thought I was your only friend, parrot. Wasn't expecting him to be so calm. Whoa. Maybe not that calm. Hey, who's that?
Oh, that is a blue and yellow macaw.
Blue and yellow macaw. He's beautiful.
Yes, it's quite beautiful. Look at the colors that they have. And if you see on the head, it's like a little ring.
Oh, green. Well, when you mix blue and yellow together, you make green, so makes sense that he has some green on his head. Oh, yeah, he's showing us his tail feathers. Very long. Wow. I think I see a rainbow in that tree. Is that possible?
No, it's not a rainbow, but it's a very colorful and beautiful scarlet macaw.
Oh, a scarlet macaw. He's beautiful. Wish I could get a closer look at him.
Oh, I can lend you my binocular for you can see the real colors of this.
Oh, thank you. Mine aren't very good.
Oh, yes.
Oh, wow. Peru's Amazonian rainforest is safe and sound thanks to the people who are preserving it. You know what they say, when it rains, it pours. And in the rainforest, it really, really pours. I appear to have gotten myself a little stuck. Good thing I had a rain cover for the camera. Webby's going to love my photos. Come to think of it, so will the boss. One step at a time here in the Amazon. One muddy step at a time. Mission complete.
Wow, big one.
Hi, Webmaster. I hope you got your gift. I had it especially made for you in the Amazon. I thought of you right away because I'm such a fan of your work. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye.
You're right. Flattery does get you everywhere.
Then do the laundry. We don't have